Hello and welcome back to Just a Sister Thing. I'm Rebecca and today I'm going to be doing a very quick get ready with me video with some fast forwarding through it. I just want to try out some new products. Some are just new for me, some are actually new on the market, and I'm just getting ready to go up to Belden Village to do a food review today with my sisters. So I hope you enjoy the video. Stay tuned to the end for before and afters, and I hope everybody is enjoying this really nice spring weather we have out there. I live in Ohio, so any type of break in the winter cold is very welcomed. All right, let's get started. So for my January birthday this year, I got this Glow Recipe freebie sample set from Sephora. I've always wanted to try them. I've heard really good things about them. They're the ones that are pretty famous for always having like fruity scented or fruity infused, I shouldn't say scented, fruity infused products. Like this one's the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. And this is for ultimate glow and brightening. And this one is the Watermelon Glow PHA plus BHA Pore Tight Toner. I've already put my skin cream on those, so I'm going to use this one next time. But I do want to try these dewdrops here. I think some of their products too also have like strawberry and pineapple and stuff like that. So I had a couple of choices at Sephora, and the clerk behind the counter said that she highly recommended this. Ooh, it feels really nice. Okay, that's a lot thicker than I thought it was. It's a very soft watermelon scent, which watermelon's one of my favorite scents. So I'm okay with that. I'm going to give that a moment to settle in, and I'm just going to do my brows real quick. I'll fast forward this part. I don't have any new products. Actually, that's not true. I do have a new product. I'm going to go ahead and put my brow pencil on, and then I'll be right back. This is the NYX Thick It Stick It. It's a brow mascara. I got it in the shade Taupe. This is not new to the market. It's just new to me. I've been wanting to try it for a long time. People say it's really good. That's what it looks like. It looks like it has little fibers in it to help fill in the sparse spots of your brows. It's a good shade match. That's pretty good stuff. It feels good. It feels like it's nice and thick. And I do feel like it did fill in the sparser spots of my brows. All right, the next product I'm a little scared about because the shade, I bought it online, and the shade just looks a little bit dark for me. This is the new L'Oreal Age Perfect 4-in-1 Tinted Balm. This is their foundation. Well, they're calling it a tinted balm, but I'm assuming it's supposed to be like foundation. Skin looks firmer, smoother lines, conceals imperfections, evens your skin tone. I got it in 10 light, but it looks a little dark, so we're going to find out here. All right. Oh, it's very slick. Oh yeah, that's gonna be, looks like it's gonna be pretty dark for me, but maybe it'll thin out a little bit. I was really expecting to hate this because when I started touching it like that, it really felt like there was nothing there. But when I started dipping my sponge into it and using it, and it really built nice, and I will say that this color is actually a very nice shade match for me. It's not as strong as what I thought it was going to be, but I think that my skin looks pretty darn good in this. I like how it just soaks right into your skin. Doesn't sit on top of it. It's not super heavy. I really thought with it being in a container like this, it was going to be thick and heavy, but this is actually going to be really good for the summertime. I'm very impressed. I will take a picture at the end of the day to show you what it looks like at the end of the day, but wow, I really like that. I didn't even know this was on the market. I was just kind of playing around on Ulta and found it, but yeah, so this is Age Perfect Tinted Balm. Good stuff. So again, this is not new to the market, it's just new to me, but I've seen TARTE Westbrook use this a lot. She says that the Advanced Radiance the Advanced Radiance Press Powder by CoverGirl is amazing, and she does use it on her under eye. I actually don't use the puff, so I'm just going to throw that away. This is in 110 Creamy Natural. So I've seen her set her under eyes with this before, so I'm going to try that out. I'm going to grab my Dollar General toothbrush brush. There is a little mirror inside. I have a little bit of creasing here, so I'm going to pat that out before I start. Okay, I'm just going to put this with this denser brush where my pores are. I think the powder looks pretty nice so far. I think she might be onto something with this. Okay, then I'm going to use a fluffier brush because I don't like to really get my skin too matte looking. I'm just going to put it in the areas where I know I'm going to put my bronzer, just very lightly dusting it. Now this is a very nice powder. It's very soft. I have some products from a company called Estate. I got these back when I was a member of BoxyCharm. I quit BoxyCharm December of last year because I was going to try the Allure box this year. I haven't yet subscribed to that, but I'm thinking about it. But I got these from BoxyCharm, but obviously you could buy these from their website. So this is their called Going Nutty Pressed Bronzer. Maybe Going Nutty is the shade. And then I got their highlighter. So I'm going to try these out today. I'm going to try the bronzer first. Cute packaging. It reminds me of ColourPop. It's right there. All right, let's get this on the face. Is in Pearl. I think it's called the Do Me highlighter, and it's in the shade Pearl. It's very pretty. Looks very subtle though, so let's take a look and see how much of a... I actually see a lot of pink in there too. That is really intense. It's very pretty. And I always like to put a little bit above my arch because it draws your eyebrows up a little bit. But wow, Holy tamale, that is not playing around. The bronzer is very nice too. It's a little bit too warm for me, but I really thought it was going to be intimidating. It looked pretty intense, but it did take a couple layers to build it up, so I don't hate it. I know everybody is very obsessed with baby pink blush right now. I think the famous one, if I'm not mistaken, I think is Chanel, the baby pink one from Chanel. But I have like a little cheapy version of it. This is City Color. And this is in Dragonfruit. You can get City Color products from the Five Below. So I'm going to throw some of this on. I thought it'd be pretty for spring. My family and I like to exchange like perfumes, purses, makeup, anything that we are getting bored with or we just didn't like, we exchange. So my niece actually brought over a big bag of stuff, I don't know, like a month or so ago for us to go through, like hair products and stuff. And at the bottom of the bag, I found this little itty bitty tiny eyeshadow. It's called IBY Beauty. And that stands for Inspired by You. It's this little independent company I found on the internet. You can go to their website, and their stuff is so affordable. I think this was like $4 or $5. And the only reason why I'm going on and on about it is because when I swatched it over at my mom's house, which is where we all exchanged everything, it was ridiculous. Like, watch, like you barely have to touch it. And the pigment is beautiful. So I want to try some more of their products. This one is called IBY Lush Eyeshadow and Headliner. But I can't wait to try this. I haven't actually put it on my eyes yet, but I did swatch it and it's just like, wow, it's just beautiful. So I think this will be a pretty all over wash. Pretty much in love with this brand. I will be getting some more of their products. It's so little, but wow, it really packs a punch. In my latest Ulta order, I got this free sample for GrandeLINER. It is a 2-in-1. It's a liquid eyeliner and a lash enhancing serum. I usually don't feel comfortable using like all the lash enhancing stuff. I always worry if it's safe for your eyes, but I am willing to try this out. Comes in a little gold tube here. So let's give it a go. That's not too bad. The wand is super tiny. I wasn't really going to do wing. I mean, I was just trying to cover it up a little bit over there so my eyes weren't downturned, but it got away from me a little bit there. I didn't want to do wing with it. I just wanted to try it, and I can still feel it's a little bit damp, so it does take a little while to dry. The wand is super itty bitty tiny, and I realize it's probably because they want you to get it as close to your root as you can. So it's a nice matte black, so it went on very nice. I didn't have to keep redipping it, which is also nice. This is also from one of my free bags of goodies I got from Ulta. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter. I used to buy this stuff all the time. It's kind of pricey, but it is very good. So if you're in the market for something and you can afford to splurge a little bit, this is one of the better setting sprays. And while my face is still a little bit damp, I'm going to go ahead and push that highlighter in. I'm going to throw some of this highlighter into my inner corner. And a little bit on my brow bone. This helps wake up your eyes a little bit. What a good highlighter. Wow, I'm loving that. I got this Wet n Wild Perfect Pout gel lip liner, and this is in the shade Never Petal Down. It's a very pretty cool pink. These lip liners are really good. If you are needing a lip liner, these are super creamy. They go on so easy. I'm wearing a lip oil today. I think that's what it is. Are you a lip oil? Yes, it's a lip oil. So I'm just going to fill my lip in a little bit with this because the lip oil is pretty sheer. Just going to smudge it in. So it acts kind of like a stain. So this is the new NYX Fat Lip Drip Oil. I got mine in Mist Call. It's like a pretty pink. And since I already put the lip liner on, I will show you guys what it looks like just swatched. It's a big fat applicator. So it's like a little wash of pink. Smells good, smells fruity. Okay, that is super nourishing. It smells really good too. Okay guys, that's it for Get Ready With Me today. We're going to go up to Condado Tacos up in Belden Village and do a food review on that. So this lip combination is going to be gone here pretty soon, but it is super pretty. Sometimes I just like a light wash of pink on my lips. I think it's very feminine. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for the before and afters as always, and I hope everybody has a wonderful day.